Hello girlies! Ever heard of the saying one size fits all? It's a very risky statement when it comes to hair care. Curly, wavy, textured, colored, dry, oily, long, short, straight, dense, thin. Oh god, there's so many differentiators when it comes to hair types. Every mane needs its own unique solution and ritual. And that's what we're here to learn. मैं हूँ सानिया, your BB hair expert for today, और आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ some very important things to know before you start your hair care routine. Before we dive into the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for the BeBeautiful channel. That way you won't miss out on any of our awesome videos. The first thing to know before you start your hair care routine is that scalp condition or hair texture ये अलग-अलग चीजें हैं. Your scalp condition refers to the health of your skin on the scalp, while the hair texture is all about the shape and size of your individual hair strands. Now let's talk about identifying your scalp type. If your hair gets super greasy, super fast, and your scalp feels oily and itchy, congrats, you've got an oily scalp. If your scalp feels dry, itchy or flaky and your hair looks dull, you've probably got a dry scalp. And if everything seems balanced and you're not experiencing any issues, you've got a normal scalp. But if you're like me and you have a little bit of both worlds with an oily forehead and a dry back of the head, you've got a combination scalp. Once you know your scalp type, you can find the perfect products for your hair. If you're a girl with colored hair, listen up. Before you start with your hair care routine, let me drop some knowledge bombs on you. Chemical treatments आपके बालों के structure को पूरी तरह से खराब कर सकते हैं. Yes, they break down those precious protein bonds, leaving your strands weaker. That's why it's crucial to use hair products that are specially formulated to nourish and moisturize your colored hair. I've found my holy grail in the Love Beauty and Planet Muru Muru Butter and Rose Aroma Blooming Color Shampoo and Conditioner. This shampoo and conditioner is infused with exotic and ethically sourced ingredients like Amazonian Muru Muru Butter. It's like a tropical vacation for your hair, leaving it nourished and moisturized with a gorgeous shine that can light up any room. साथ ही ये शैम्पू और कंडीशनर सिलिकॉन, पैराबेन और डाई से मुक्त है, जो कलर्ड बालों के लिए बहुत अच्छी खबर है. We don't want any hair baddies in there, messing with our dye jobs and making our color fade faster than we wanted to, right? Let's not forget about the fragrance. The Bulgarian rose petals in this shampoo smell like heaven in a bottle. Seriously, you'll be coming out of the shower smelling like a bouquet of roses. When it comes to hair care, there's one product you definitely shouldn't skip, a heat protectant. अगर आप भी मेरे जैसे बिना ब्लो ड्रायर, स्ट्रेटनर और कर्लिंग आयरन के बिना नहीं रह सकते, तो आपको ये बात ज़रूर समझनी चाहिए कि ये टूल्स इतनी हाई टेम्परेचर्स जनरेट करते हैं कि आपके बाल खराब हो सकते हैं, जिससे ब्रेकेज, स्प्लिट एंड्स और ड्राइनेस हो सकती है. Which is why heat protectant is a must. It's designed to create a barrier between your hair and the heat, minimizing the damage caused by styling tools. And guess what? I've got a little secret weapon that does double duty as a heat protectant and a hair serum that will give you some serious moisture and nourishment. It's the Tresemme Gloss Ultimate Hair Serum. Not only the serum gives your hair a glossy finish, but it also protects your locks from heat damage up to 230 degrees Celsius. That's right, this magical potion acts as a heat protectant and a hair serum all in one. If you want your hair to look great, you gotta take care of your scalp too. That's where a leave-on scalp treatment comes in. They're like superheroes for your scalp, working behind the scenes to maintain scalp health and promote healthy hair growth. These treatments are made just for the scalp, so they can tackle all sorts of issues like dandruff, dryness, itchiness, and hair loss. For my dry scalp, I like to use the Dove Hair Therapy Dry Scalp Care Moisturizing Leave-On Solution. बस इसको हेयर पे स्प्रे करो और फिर कोम से हेयर के हर हिस्से में सोल्यूशन को इवनली स्प्रेड करो. और सुनो, इस प्रोडक्ट की सबसे खास बात यह है कि ये सल्फेट फ्री है. और अगर आपको पता नहीं है तो बता दूं, सल्फेट स्कैल्प की नेचुरल मॉइस्चर को छीन लेते हैं, जिसकी वजह से स्कैल्प बहुत ड्राई और डिहाइड्रेटेड हो जाता है और हेयर अनहेल्दी लगने लगते हैं। इसके अलावा इसमें नाइसिनामाइड है जो हेयर के सेल्यूलर लेवल तक पहुंचकर स्कैल्प ड्राइनेस को रिलीव करता है। एक चीज जो बिल्कुल जरूरी है अगर आप अपना हेयर केयर रूटीन शुरू करने की सोच रहे हो, और वो है कि चेंजिंग सीजन्स के हिसाब से आपको आपके हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स को भी स्विच करना चाहिए। Our hair and scalp have different needs depending on the weather outside. जैसे कि विंटर्स के दौरान बाल ड्राई और स्टैटिकी हो जाते हैं क्योंकि ठंडक उनके नेचुरल मॉइस्चर को छीन लेती है। The solution is you'll want to switch to a more moisturizing product that will keep your hair hydrated and happy. और जब समर आता है तब बाल ऑयली और फ्रिजी हो जाते हैं। इसका रीजन है हीट और ह्यूमिडिटी। पर टेंशन मत लो, लाइट हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट से ये प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व हो सकती है। So by switching your products with the seasons, you'll be giving your hair and scalp exactly what they need to stay healthy and gorgeous all year round. So guys, these were some things you should consider before starting a hair care routine. Give your hair that extra care by actually understanding its needs and customizing your daily care. I'm sure your hair will thank you later. जाने से पहले like and share and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you. Bye.